everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Katrina. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a blowout look without heat. I haven't done like a hair video in so long. Let's just get into it. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. So yeah, let's get into the video. Yeah, I haven't done a video like this in so long, but we'll get into that in a second. I'm going to be showing you guys how to fake a blowout without having to use heat. I do this often, but I recently bought something that I'm going to be doing it a little bit differently with. I do love blow drying my hair just because I love like the flip. Even though I like more like sleek hair, I do love like the flip and sometimes the volume of a blowout. But for my hair, I know my hair doesn't seem that long, but when it's like in its natural state, it's like a big lion's mess. Most of the time I'll just flat iron it like I have now, and then I just leave it until I have to wash it again. I recently purchased some Velcro rollers. That was probably really loud. I recently purchased some Velcro rollers. I got them on Amazon. I think they were like $13. What I'm going to be doing is wrapping my hair on the Velcro rollers, letting them set for a little bit, and then taking them out so we can get like a nice little flip. Normally what I do if I want a little like style to my ends, I'll usually just take the hair like this and just kind of wrap it around my fingers and just wrap it around itself, and then I'll like pin it. But today I'm going to be trying the Velcro rollers just to see how much of a difference that gives. This pack came with like 36 different Velcro rollers, different sizes. So this is the biggest one, which this is definitely not big enough. I thought it was going to be bigger than this. I suck at like buying things on Amazon, but yeah, we'll make it work. This is the biggest size, this is medium, and this is the small. It comes with that, and then it comes with these little like pin clips. I did flat iron my hair yesterday, so it has a little bit of bend from when I slept, but it's okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of this silicone mix hair polisher. I did put a little bit yesterday, but I'm gonna put a little bit more now. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll post it if you guys are interested. I love it. Obviously a little bit goes a long way because it is like an oil, a gloss, but I love it and it smells so good. So I always split my hair in half, so I'm gonna work on this section. I'm gonna start from the bottom up. What you want to do is just kind of roll it onto the ends. It's Velcro, so it's pretty much gonna stick to your hair, and just roll it up. And that's it. If this was a little bigger, I probably wouldn't need to clip it, but I'm just gonna clip it so it doesn't fall. So here's our first row. So I'll show you this whole section first, and then I'll probably speed up the next section. I mentioned before I haven't done like a video like this in a long time. For the past year I was doing gaming, mainly Animal Crossing, and I loved it. It was so fun in the beginning, but I don't know, the past month or so, maybe I like burnt myself out. I just don't know what to upload for Animal Crossing anymore. I feel like I did all I had to do with that, and it sucks. But like, I really thought I was gonna have my channel be like a variety gaming channel, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to upload anymore. Like, it's the honest truth. I don't want to look like, I don't know, like I'm flip-flopping like with what I'm posting, because obviously that's just gonna get confusing for people that watch my videos, especially people that came to my channel specifically for this. Piece is kind of small, so I'm gonna use the small one. It might be confusing for people that kind of came to my channel for gaming videos. Like, if you see like a hair tutorial, you're gonna be like, you know, what the heck? Yeah, I don't know. I'm still figuring it out. I honestly wish I could just do vlogging, but I really don't. I feel like I'm not interesting enough to vlog. I genuinely enjoy just doing YouTube, making videos. Like, I do make some money from it. Not, you know, not anything to brag about, but I do, you know, make some money. So not only do I like it, but it definitely is motivation that I'm making a little income from it. I like doing like beauty videos, but I feel like when I started YouTube, beauty videos were definitely more in demand. I feel like now everybody pretty much knows how to do their hair, everybody knows how to do their makeup, so I don't know. I feel like nobody's really coming to YouTube to really learn anything. Or maybe they are, I don't know. If you come across this video, definitely let me know. Check out some of my older videos and let me know what you think. I feel bad to people that like found my channel recently through the gaming videos, and now it's like, what, you're not posting gaming videos anymore. I'm not gonna watch. But honestly, I just feel like, I don't know, I burnt myself out with Animal Crossing. I feel like I did what I had to do. I don't know what else I can post for that. Yeah, honestly, I want to get into like GTA roleplay, but I just don't know how to get like onto the servers, or I don't even know honestly if my computer is like fast enough to do it. So that's another issue too. I'm actually gonna like section this front piece out. So I'm gonna take this whole front section and just like roll it back. It's kind of a little bit bigger than the roller, but it's okay. Probably like go to the beauty supply and find some like jumbo ones. I just can never tell. I can never tell. I've like gotten better with buying stuff online just with the whole like pandemic and everything. Like I was forced to buy some stuff online. Well, I wasn't forced to, but since we weren't going to the stores in the beginning, I had to buy online like if I wanted to buy something. So I definitely got a little bit better with like sizes and everything. I'm gonna do this other side, so I'm gonna speed it up and then I'll talk to you guys when we're done. Alright guys, so we're all done, and I only used a clip for the bottom one. I was actually able to kind of do these without making a clip. Obviously, again, like if they were bigger, I probably wouldn't need any clips, but hopefully these don't fall out. I don't think they will. The longest you leave this in, the more of style you're gonna get. The best thing to do is like maybe like if you're going out, do it before you start your makeup. Half an hour is okay, an hour is good, 2 hours is best. But if you can leave it in like all night, that's good. If you can leave it in for a couple hours, that's good. The longer you leave it in, the better. I'm gonna try to leave this in like for like 2 to 3 hours. I'll see you guys then. All right, guys. So it has been like 2 hours to change my shirt because I was like making breakfast, I was eating, and I knew I was gonna spill something, which I did, like spill ketchup on my shirt. So yeah, I changed my shirt, which is that's why everything kind of got messed up. You see some of them are kind of like hanging down. Now I'm gonna take out the Velcro rollers. So one thing I'm gonna say is when you're taking them out, you want to be careful because again, this is Velcro. Hair is kind of sticking to it, so it shouldn't take that much force to take it out like how I just did. But yeah, you can see, look at that flip I have just from leaving it in for 2 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna take this all out and then probably change my shirt and then we'll be back. I'm looking kind of crazy. I took my hair out of the Velcro rollers. I just changed my shirt really fast before I started like messing with it. But here is what it looks like. So now you just want to like just lightly kind of play with your hair. Just kind of like fluff it out. I like to put the front piece back. It just kind of gives you room to play around with it. I do middle part, so I'm going to keep it in the middle. The longer you leave it in, the better. I only left it in for 2 hours, but can you imagine like how much even more of a flip I would have got if I left it in longer? It's just definitely a different look than just having it pinned straight. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see a video where I actually do blow dry my hair and use the rollers, let me know. I can do that too. Probably the next time you see me in the video, I'm gonna look different because I'm getting my hair done. I'm getting my hair done. I'll say that. I don't know if I'm gonna continue doing like Animal Crossing and stuff. Maybe I'll do some here and there. But yeah, as of right now, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go back to beauty videos. I don't know. I feel like that sounds so flip-floppy, like, but at the end of the day, you just kind of have to make what videos you like and just hope that the people watching will like it too. Any videos you recommend, comment down below and let me know. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.